Did you know that being a utility line worker is one of the most dangerous jobs in the world, and that there's an average of 50 deaths per 100,000 workers? The traditional method for inspecting power lines in difficult and dangerous terrain was using a helicopter with a person hanging off the side. This method is actually very expensive, time consuming regarding mission planning, and not to mention the very risk for the worker. To help mitigate the risk of endangering human lives, the use of drones became popular. But the problem was that drones are not capable of accurately detecting how close they are getting to these power lines to perform delicate work. My research is looking at creating a sense and avoid system to allow drones to get as close as possible to power lines to perform this delicate work with the most accurate results. And by integrating this system with a drone, you'll be able to protect the lives of the workers and save money on costly helicopter fees.